Hello everyone. Happy December 31st. Today we celebrate New Year's Eve, champagne, and the joy of endings and beginnings. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's New Year's Eve, a global celebration of reflection and renewal. A great gift could be a party kit, a countdown clock, or a gratitude journal. How do you ring in the new year? Let's celebrate in the comments. It's National Champagne Day. A sparkling toast to joy and new beginnings. A thoughtful gift could be a champagne flute set, a bubbly sampler, or a festive bottle stopper. What's your favorite toast? Let's sparkle in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. With the final hours of the year upon us, the countdown is glowing with hope and celebration. It's Make Up Your Mind Day. A fun reminder to choose your path for the year ahead. A sweet gift could be a decision-making coin, a clarity journal, or a goal-setting workbook. What decision are you ready to make? Let's commit in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering celebrations for January 26th to 31st. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.